Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain every operating systems and what they are used for. 1. Windows. Windows is developed by Microsoft and is the most popular operating system for PCs and laptops. It is widely used for gaming, office work, programming, and everyday tasks. 2. macOS. macOS is developed by Apple and is used on MacBooks and iMacs. It is known for its smooth performance, security, and creative tools. 3. Linux. Linux is a free and open-source operating system. It is commonly used by developers, programmers, and server administrators because of its flexibility and security. 4. Ubuntu. Ubuntu is one of the most popular Linux distributions. It is beginner-friendly and widely used for personal computers and development work. 5. Android. Android is developed by Google and is the most popular mobile operating system. It powers millions of smartphones, tablets, TVs, and smart devices. 6. iOS. iOS is Apple's mobile operating system used on iPhones. It is known for its security, performance, and seamless integration with Apple devices. 7. Chrome OS. Chrome OS is also developed by Google and is mainly used on Chromebooks. It focuses on web-based applications and cloud computing. 8. Fedora. Fedora is a Linux-based operating system popular among developers who want access to the latest software technologies. 9. Debian. Debian is one of the oldest and most stable Linux distributions. Many other Linux operating systems are built on Debian. 10. Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a specialized Linux distribution designed for cybersecurity professionals, ethical hackers, and penetration testers. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.